Same.
Let's see, here's the spawn.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Let me go.
What?
It won't let me go. I want to go to spawn. I want to leave. This map is boring.
Okay, go.
Can't go through the walls. It won't let me out. Slash help op. I just typed help op.
There has to be an op online.
There is. And then
It's only you and me online.
Well, really? This is so boring. That's the other one.
I made a creeper that's better than yours.
Cool. They're gonna watch us die and fail. I have another server.
So,
It's cool and fun. It's really about killing people. I see a house, and I'm gonna live in it.
make it. Let's make it 4 blocks. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going on to the white. Let's make that 5 blocks high. What the fuck?
Ah!
I hate this gay ass cow.
There's a cow?
And it's starting to piss me off. There we go. He's dead now. Oh,
Oh
maybe.
my gosh. We can die. I gotta wait 45 minutes just to respawn. That's stupid. He's gonna make it 3 hours next time.
No, he won't.
Yeah, you will.
I've been on that server like 7 times.
I was asking why, I was asking the owner why he made it, 45 minutes. He said he's gonna make it 3 hours. He said he might. I said he might. I didn't say he was. I said might. And I see checks. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, God. Can I take that? Nice spawn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. You have to get off?
No.
Yeah.
No. I gotta go take my bath off. I can feel
Oh
it.
my fucking god. I hate Minecraft so much.
Oh man. I've been breaking things. Oh, fine.
Did you get your homework done?
Oh, yeah. Wait, yeah, I
You
did.
didn't eat your dinner either, Sean.
I did do my homework.
Yeah, but you didn't eat your dinner. Sitting there on the counter.
Sorry.
Don't ask for anything else.
But there's ice cream left. Bitch.
You need to shower at night.
I know. Going to though.
Oh.
I might come back to you when I'm done because I'm going to be doing this for quite a while.
Oh. Hey, I gotta go.
You have no computer tomorrow. Don't
No,
forget.
I don't. No, I won't. That's cool. Crap. Ooh, diamond. Fine.
Are you on that survival server?
No.
What server are you on?
I'm on Fearcraft. It's another server I play on. Can I give you it? I'm gonna be wrapping it up here in a few.
Okay. At least stay on for 2 more minutes.
Why, how many minutes have we been recording?
7:57.
Oh, I see. Okay. Got my cape.
Do you like the cape mod? Was it worth it?
Yeah. I'm just new to downloading mods, but I got the hang of it. It's not really hard.
One, two.
I like using X-Ray on survival servers. It just helps me out so much. Helps me so much. I can just see the ground. Oh, somebody just killed the admin.
They're screwed.
I'm gonna go to the Nether. I think we're allowed to go to the Nether in this server. I'm going to the Nether, I think. I should or not?
You should.
I need wood first. And a sword and crap so I don't die by pigmen. Wait, just give me 2 minutes.